What the Don't say it, Chris. Don't say it. So, I'm sure you've had these days. As a matter of fact, I'd probably guarantee you've had these days because what human hasn't? But you just feel like you just want to swear and scream and punch something, but you're making a video for YouTube and you can't do that. Sometimes it just all goes to crap, right? I set some goals. One of the goals I have here that I set internally is I'm going to post a video every single day. I don't know how long for, but I'm going to post it for a little while. I think this is day 5. And I recorded a great video earlier today. I was actually really proud of it. And I'm going to re record it maybe tomorrow. It was about the difference between chasing sales or chasing friends for sales and building a brand and how much exponentially bigger your business can get when you're building a personal brand that attracts clients to you versus chasing one person after another because there's only one of you. You can only chase so many people at once, but you can attract dozens to hundreds to thousands to millions of people to you all at once. And like I said, video came out pretty good. I was actually pretty pumped with it. And then I realized that I didn't unplug my microphone from my camera, so the audio didn't record on my camera. So even though I'm recording on my regular mic today, the audio didn't have anything to sync to. So I was trying to sync it by hand. And you know what I'm not good at? I'm not good at that type of stuff. I'm not good at trying to sync video based off of mouth movements. And I got the beginning lined up, and then I realized that the end was off. And, it's just one of those things where eventually I decided to just delete that entire video, the entire 15-minute video that I thought was pretty awesome. And because I got no audio that I can sync to it well. I mean, the beginning's fine, but then in the end, it looks like a Japanese dubbed movie. So I know you guys aren't going to like that. But anyways, what we're going to talk about and the point of this video, and coming in screaming hot. So I've had a busy day. My days have been pretty mild lately. I'm waiting on one gig to start up. I left another, and I'm working on this YouTube thing hardcore right now. That's my main focus. My network marketing stuff on the side, because that's a very much so a side business, which is the way it was designed to be. But I said I'm gonna make a video every freaking day, come hell or high water. And then that happened, and now it's almost 7 o'clock at night. I just had to run to the grocery store real quick because I'm a guy and I don't plan ahead and buy food for 2 days in a row. I just buy it for one. And I'm re recording a video that I'm going to edit. I'm going to get a thumbnail made and I'm going to post it. And it is going to be posted before midnight. Even though I still have other stuff to do, I got an enrollment coming in for network marketing that is becoming a fiasco because it's a US citizen living in Mexico. It's just like all this stuff I've never dealt with before. But the universe, when you say, I am going to freaking do something, I am going to make a video every single day. I am going to move to Charleston. I am out of New Hampshire. I'm done here. I'm going. These are the things in my life that I'm experiencing. I'm sure if you stopped and think about some of the things that are happening in your life, if you really set yourself to wanting to do something, it's going to come and it's going to get you. Universe is going to say, oh, no, you're not. No, you're not, Chris. You said you're going to record a video today and I'm going to beat it out of you. You're not getting that video off today. You're not moving to Charleston. We're going to have Portsmouth magically become the best city in the whole world. My neighbors moved out. We got the whole yard to ourselves now. My dog's loving it. Now, my neighbors are cool, so don't take that the wrong way, especially if you guys happen to see this, which I doubt you will, but they're cool. I liked them. But, they got little kids and, it made for a busy backyard. Now it's just us, just me and my dog back there. It's pretty cool. Meeting people all over the place in Portsmouth all of a sudden. Everybody's wicked friendly all of a sudden, even though it's kind of a Massachusetts, New England vibe up here now where everybody's just kind of got a hair across their ass, seems like. And all these things combined, it's trying to stop me from the stuff that I really want to do. But you know what? I have more determination than that. And I want you to have more determination than that because you deserve the stuff that you're setting your mind to. But you have to know that you're going to be challenged. Nothing comes easy, especially the good things. It does not come easy. So you got to set yourself to a goal and you got to hold on to it like a pit bull, not letting that thing go. Doesn't matter what gets in the way. You said you're going to do it. You want success. You're going to get it. But you have to fight every step of the way for that. Some days it's easy. But then there's that occasional day that comes along that just smacks you in the face. Today wasn't that bad. I don't want to over exaggerate too much, but it's annoying. This is the second time since I started making YouTube videos where I forgot to unplug that mic line in from my Sony camera and ended up with an unusable video and had to reshoot it. Last time I was only doing like one a week, so I was just like, whatever, I'll do it tomorrow. It took like 3 more days before I finally did it. This time I'm doing it today. And I figured that this was a great reminder. This is not a real hardcore topic, but I guess it kind of is. But if you're trying to achieve something, the universe is going to conspire against you. It's just the way it is because it's going to see if you really freaking want it. And I think you do. I hope you do, especially if it's something good. If it's a goal that's going to really change your life, change your family's life, you got to push through. Don't let this shit get in your way. Don't let it stop you from achieving your potential. So I know you can do it. So that being said, we're going to get that video about chasing versus building a personal brand probably tomorrow because I really enjoyed talking about that topic. So I'm going to go back to it. But in the meantime, we're going to wrap this video up. Just want to let you know if you got to this point of the video, that means that I'm not completely annoying you today. And I want to let you know that I've launched the ability to work directly with me and get some coaching. So it's kind of in its infancy phase right now. I'm offering one-on-one coaching. It's $97. You get a full hour. I'm going to put together some resources for you. My free blueprint kit, blueprint starter guide that I have that you can get. If you don't want the coaching, you can get that for free in the comments as well, but we'll tailor that to exactly what you're trying to achieve with your personal brand. Maybe you are like me and you're in sales and marketing. Maybe you're like my buddy who's an attorney, really good attorney. I'm trying to get him to start making some content because he could attract a massive amount of clients to his company. I got a buddy who works in a garage, trying to get him to start making YouTube videos of fixing cars because he's already there fixing cars. Why not make a video while you're doing it at the same time? Make some extra money. It's kind of silly to not be making content these days. It has the ability to really, really change your life. So I'm going to have a post, pinned comment down below. If you want to check out that coaching session, hop on, chat with me for an hour. We'll do some work together. We'll figure out what your goals are. We'll get that kind of ironed out. We'll help you get your personal brand started or maybe tweaked. I do have some other resources I can use too. So if it's something that you have some more in-depth questions and say maybe one of your questions is over my head, I have some great people that I work with that I can touch base with and get some good answers for you. But for the next month, for the first month of this offer, it's going to be $97. I want it to be super affordable. I want it to be achievable to everybody, accessible to everybody, I mean. And I'm only doing 10 a week. That's it. Just 2 a day max because it's not going to run my life. I'm not going to be like some of those coaches that are just on calls all day long. I got to go golfing still. I got a lot of golf I got to play this summer to break 80 for the first time. And and I'm also going to have my lead generation guide coming out. That'll be a paid course, maybe in a month or so, but that'll be on its way. So hopefully you guys like the video. I'm going to get this edited, post that thumbnail, rip it out there for you guys, and I will see you on the next video coming out tomorrow. And just want to let you know, I love you. I love you, man. You can do it. Screw the universe trying to get in your way. It ain't no thing. Universe can't stop you. You're a beast. I'll see you in the next video.